Hello, in this short video I want to show you how CogniCrypt can be used to detect misuses in your crypto code. In this example, we do this for our PRNG combiner implementation. What you can see here are three code snippets that make use of the PRNG combiner but do this in the wrong way. So let's see whether CogniCrypt can detect these misuses. To do so, we invoke the CogniCrypt misuse detection plugin and wait until the analysis has been finished. This takes a few seconds. And here you can see several errors that show up. The first error tells you that there's a problem with the third parameter. It has the value something but should be CBC or CTR, which is the mode of the combiner. So we change this here and correct this error. The next error that is shown here says that there's also a problem. The PRNG combiner in this case is never used. So we have to invoke either the generate seed method or the next bytes method. So we correct this as well. In this case, we let the combiner generate 20 bytes of randomness. And then there's the third error, which tells you that the first parameter, which should be a securandom, is not a true securandom instance. So we also have to correct this. Now this error should also be corrected. Now we can invoke the CogniCrypt misuse detection again and see what happens. So we first have to save our changes. So we do this, and then the code analysis runs again. And now you can see all the errors are gone.